This is Abass again. I'm back. And if you watch my first video, I showed you how to play the bass and the tone sound. And if you haven't watched it, then you need to watch that and see it. Now, this one, we are going to try and put it together. Very simple rhythm, the bass and the tone sound. We're going to make a rhythm out of it. Very simple rhythm, easy, easy. So first, we got the bass. You do 2 bass for me. 1, 2. 1, 2. Like I said, the first sound you hear, all human beings hear from the womb of their mother, is the heartbeat. Now we got a heartbeat. The most important, like I said, keep the smile on. So we got this going. 1, 2. Try that. You're doing really well. Now we're going to add the tone sound. Try. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Go. Yes. You're doing well. Now we're going to add the click to it. So this rhythm, for example, when you're having like a birthday party, you can play this, and it's more high life, groovy thing, and you can, you know, all your friends can dance with. So now this is the click. Yeah? So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. You got that going? You can sing it, either sing it and count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, or you can sing it in your head. However you do it, it's fine. Or you can play the video, and then you can play along the video. So let's try it. Yeah. Yeah, keep going. Very good. Okay, now as you can see, we got the gap in between. So we're going to add something in there just to change the flavor, to bring the vanilla flavor. Because this is a groove where you can play where everybody can just, you know, shake their body or dance or do anything. So it goes like this. 1, 2. Yes, so you can play this anywhere, anyhow. By the way, just to inform you, I'm a left-handed. So if you're watching my video and you are right-handed, it's easy. It's just like a mirror. So you move the same way I move. So we're going to try again. So don't get confused. So you start everything with your right hand, which is my left hand. Yeah? So it's just like a mirror. We try again with a smile. And please make sure you don't smile to your drum, but you smile up. You know, everyone can see you. And you just show off like this. this is a simple rhythm that we play in Ghana, and it's called jigbo. This is a simple way that I can explain to you, but this is not how we play traditionally. But watch my next video and you will see, because this is just for the beginners. The advanced one will follow. Thank you very much, and we'll see you soon. Goodbye. To keep updated with One Drum activities, workshops, and performances, please click the link below or visit onedrum.org. Don't forget to subscribe. We see you.